Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to build real troubleshooting confidence. A lot of people think confidence comes from knowing every single answer instantly, and it doesn't. And it definitely does not come from pretending to know more than you think you do. Real troubleshooting confidence comes from process. It comes from slowing down, defining symptoms clearly, asking better questions, noticing patterns, checking the likeliest causes first, avoiding aggressive actions too early, and using the process of elimination. That is what real confidence is built on. Not perfection, not ego, and not guessing. Process. And the more you practice that process, the less scary problems start to feel. Because even when you don't know the answer yet, you know how to begin. You know how to narrow the issue, you know how to avoid chaos, and you know how to make the next step smarter. And that is real growth. And that's the whole point of this course. This course is not about turning you into an expert overnight. It's going to take time. We've got to build that groundwork. It's about helping you stop thinking like someone who panics at problems and start thinking more like someone who can work through them. Now, if you want to go deeper, that is where the premium membership comes in. Inside the premium, we will actually start applying these theories, concepts, and processes that we've talked about in the free courses. So inside, you'll get access to deeper diagnostic trainings, full troubleshooting walkthroughs, troubleshooting labs, a growing repair video library, full repair courses, and even more guided practice so you can sharpen these skills much faster. So if this course helped you start thinking more clearly about tech problems, Premium is where the full troubleshooting systems open up.